Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henne kasi ganyo tedek ujemang, ambassador jong kari Japan sa India, Kenji Hiramatsu, hakajingwan yu kejat jong syakani ke Jylla Meghalaya, Ïakynduh ru yu ulat ke Jylla Gangga Prasad, hakayengsa jong Haraj Bhavan Shillong, banyak keren Halor ki Pynroi ki bakari Japan ke kloy banyarap ya kari India. Hadin gini ke Jylang bat Gangga Prasad, Kenji Hiramatsu ulai yesim tapat saha kejinga tungdeng ya ki tenrai deng ki balawra kerpang nari Japan rengkat kejinan lang ulat ke Jylla bat ki wede ekonomi kman ki bana kari Japan. Habakran ba kinang pathai ke buat ke Jylla hadin kini ke Jylang Haraj Bhavan na kalyang Kenji Hiramatsu ula penpau ba kani kenhon jung kadan ya katong banya trelang ba sarkar Jylla Meghalaya na kebenta banwanra ya koroi kepar hapok kini ke Jylla bat hakari India hi borok away.
The possibility of more cooperation, especially in the field of infrastructure development and business opportunities. We like to have a more cooperation, for example, in the field of food processing and also more infrastructure project. So we like to encourage Japanese business to look into the possibility of doing business here. I'm happy to be able to plant a tree of cherry. Cherry blossom is very special for us. So this is the friendship, the symbol of friendship between Meghalaya and Japan. So as ambassador of Japan, we like to see more cooperation, not only in the business, but also people-to-people exchanges and cultural exchanges. We have very much in common with regard to culture and ethnical similarity. So we hope to see more cooperation exchanges taking place. So we like to see to encourage Japanese business people to come to this place. But still, it's a project is to be worked out in the future. But I have hope that several Japanese companies to see the possibility in doing business.